At CFA, we have a prevent what we can and improve what we must mindset. Regenerative medicine is mind-boggling. This is the future of aesthetic medicine, and at Center for Aesthetics, we're already doing it every day. The CFA Evernal series is the most progressive suite of treatments that we've ever offered. Our Complexion Perfection treatment series utilizes 3 different types of technology: hydrofacials, clear and brilliant lasers, and sometimes Fraxel laser for patients that need a lot of skin rehabilitation. The CFA trifecta utilizes 3 different technologies: alt therapy to work on the deep scaffolding, Vivace radiofrequency microneedling for the skin surface, and then platelet-rich plasma to just supercharge the whole process. This is the most powerful non-surgical facelift that you can achieve. It allows us to restore projection and contour of the face that gives a natural appearance in any angle. The Evernal series is a de-aging arsenal that you can't find anywhere else but at CFA. Did you know that your face is a lot like a house? It actually has all the same layers. It has the paint job, which is the skin surface, and that's where, as we age, we accumulate pigmentation, lines, and wrinkles. It has the insulation layer, which is our fat, and our fat becomes depleted in certain areas as we age. And then we have the scaffolding, which are these deep collagenous tissue planes that basically hold everything together. And finally, most importantly, we have the foundation, which is our bone. And did you know that our bone actually remodels as we age? At Center for Aesthetics, during your consultation, we'll use that analogy to customize a treatment plan for the layers of your face. Our Complexion Perfection treatment works in the paint job, the skin surface layer, rejuvenating and restoring that healthy glow. Dermal fillers are utilized to restore volume in the depleted insulation layers. And the CFA trifecta does triple de-aging duty for the scaffolding. And then finally, there's the foundation layer. That's the bone structure that supports your beautiful face. Until now, there really hasn't been a treatment that addresses this layer specifically. The CFA Face Forward treatment remodels from the inside out, restoring the natural projection and facial shape that you had in your youth. At CFA, it's our mission to develop treatments that work at each of these layers to bring out the natural beauty you possess. It might be surprising to find out that even I, as a surgeon, prefer non-surgical options when available. The CFA trifecta is a great example of this. Why? Because non-surgical allows us to have natural appearances from any angle of viewing, something that facelifts don't often achieve. In the new era of technology, I think our demand should be a little higher. We should demand that we not only look natural when we view ourselves in the mirror, but when the rest of the world is viewing us from all other angles. Until now, there really hasn't been any non-surgical way to lift and tighten the neck. But now, new technology is available that really allows us to achieve this in a non-surgical fashion. At CFA, our unique protocol works to revive your natural beauty. I'm not exaggerating to say that this treatment will reshape your face to look like it was 5, 10, or maybe even more years ago. The CFA trifecta utilizes 3 powerful tools: alt therapy, Vivace, and PRP, to achieve this wonderful result. Can you believe that your body stops making collagen in your early 30s? The CFA trifecta stimulates collagen production from your skin to your scaffolding, so it gets back to work to lift and tighten your face. I call this treatment a golden wait while, meaning that although you're going to see results pretty quickly, it's going to continue to improve over 4 to 6 months. The CFA trifecta is truly a non-invasive facelift. I love living outdoors and in nature, but I have to admit, the sun, the wind, the exposure to the elements isn't exactly our friend when it comes to our complexion. And on top of that, our cells start getting lazy and they stop turning over like they did when we were young. Pretty soon your skin has lost that youthful glow. It appears lifeless, dull. The CFA Complexion Perfection Laser addresses all of these problems by actually exfoliating your skin, making it healthier, and restoring that youthful glow. It starts with the hydrofacial, which is actually a 3-in-1 treatment that cleanses, exfoliates, and actually infuses your skin with essential ingredients to restore that youthful glow. The Clear and Brilliant Laser is a complement to the hydrofacials that you'll routinely be having. It actually exfoliates the skin and helps with pigmentation problems. And when you need the big gun, we have Fraxel, which is a much more intensive exfoliative laser to really restore health and actually help to reduce things like skin cancer risk and precancerous lesions. One of the additional benefits to this treatment is it will make your topicals work better because they're going to penetrate more effectively. In no time, you'll be glowing from within. CFA's Complexion Perfection, at the bottom line, should be part of anybody's skincare routine. As we age, we actually undergo bone remodeling, which changes our jawline, our chin, our nose, our cheeks. And these are the features that define our face. They change shape, you lose projection, your chin recesses, your nose drops. All of these happen as a result of this bone loss. And this is why often facelifts don't achieve what we're desiring, because all they're doing is they're redraping and tightening skin over failing architecture. Enter the unfortunate, windblown, overly pulled appearance that often facelifts achieve, especially when viewed from a side angle. The CFA Face Forward treatment actually addresses this bone loss and restores the natural projection that you had in your youth. We strategically place dermal fillers in the areas of this bone loss to actually restore the projection and the natural contours you had when you were in your youth. And nothing else in our arsenal works like this. These changes in our bone structure happen very gradually, and so we often don't remember what our face used to look like. But once we start to restore those, you'll love the face you recognize in the mirror. The CFA Face Forward procedure actually restores your natural profile. I actually did this myself, and I love what I see in the mirror. I promise to you that as the new technology arises, CFA will be the one to bring it to you first.